Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add dotted border to image in Google Sheets. So let's started. At first open your Google Sheets document file. In this video, I will show that add dotted border image. Now going to the insert menu option. Now for click. Then click for the drawing option. Then click for image option. Now open the file and choose from image. That's it. Then I show insert from image. This image is add dotted border. Now click for the border dash option, then click for the dotted border option. Now click for the border edit option, then click for 4px. Now click for save and close option. Then we show add dotted border to image in Google Sheets is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.